Welcome back to Primetime News Special. Welcome to the folks watching on OneSpotMedia.com. Up first this evening, stunning revelations that PETROJAM's $34 million valuation is based on the assumption that the refinery will be shut down by the end of the year. Central Manchester Member of Parliament Peter Bunting made the disclosure today on RJR's call-in program Hotline after referencing PETROJAM's 2018 valuation. TVJ's Andrea Chisholm reports.
In Parliament on Tuesday, Energy Minister Favour Williams said this.
The standstills assessed the fair market value of PETROJAM, as is case, to be US $34 million.
No.
But now, news that the $34 million figure is based on assumptions, as outlined in PETROJAM's 2018 valuation.
Here's the first assumption. At the end of 2019, the refinery will be closed. The employees will be paid severance payments. And come January 2020, it will be operated as a product terminal.
Translation?
That means instead of importing crude oil, they will import like the products like gasoline, diesel, kerosene, etc. And they will just use the tanks and the terminal facility to, offload that and to load it into tanker trucks and send them out to the gas station. So there will be no refining operation.
The document adds that if PETROJAM is not upgraded, the number of employees would be reduced by 70%. $18 million would be set aside to make payments to those employees who leave the oil refinery. Each would get 1 year's wages.
These are assumptions if there are no investments in the assets in PETROJAM. And that's what we've been saying over the last 12 years. There has been no major investments, and that's why we are where we are right now. And if we continue to go forward without any major investments, this is what you will have.
PETROJAM has been trying to upgrade its refinery for over a decade. The government had set aside $100 million to upgrade the vacuum distillation unit. That money was, however, recalled as Venezuelan company PDVSA, which owns 49% of PETROJAM, has not fulfilled its end of the bargain. $20 million has been set aside to start the VDU upgrade in the next fiscal year. The Senate will also consider a bill for the Jamaican government to forcefully take back Venezuela's stake in the oil refinery. Andrea Chisholm, TVJ News.